Okay, Frank, are we ready to digitize? I have this pattern here. I've put tape on it. I'm just going to tape it right there on the tracing board. We've got the software started. Go ahead and...
Oh, so that's how you keep it from sliding around.
The tape works great. Click the start button, and then just take the pen stylus and trace, and then just trace right around the edge. Look at that.
Oh.
Isn't that cool? Just go all the way around wherever that pin goes. Oh, look, ambidextrous around the arm. Very good. Go ahead and click stop now. Click start. Let's do the next piece. So you asked me what kind of files it saves. It will save DXF files, SVG, PDFs, anything you need for any CNC cutting machine. Is that difficult or is it pretty easy?
Oh, it's very easy.
Yes, and you're going to get a nice accurate file. Just trace right along the edge with the pen. One more piece and we can load those files into laser cutting machines, plasma cutting machines, water jets, CNC routers. Look at that. It looks great. Was that hard or easy?
That is easy.
Well, real good. Let's save the file.